Welcome back to the Ghost Love Music and Cooking.com. I don't measure a thing when I cook. I just sprinkle a little bit of this and a little bit of that until I hear my mama whisper, "That's enough, Lola," and I'm done. Boy, I got something for you today. Look, got a piece of ham here. Got some frog legs, chicken. Oh, tomahawk chops, chicken. Got a caribou back shoulder. Oh my God, that thing, I had to order it from Alaska. Oh me, look at here. All of this up in here. And these up here top, this is from my babies. I didn't put all that marinade on there for them. It's got to be kind of special. And these are the marinade that I use. Look at this, boys and girls, look. That's for the chicken. That's what I marinate that chicken in for about 2 years. Seem right. I'm going to pour some of that on there. Oh my goodness. It's going to be off the chain. Oh, look at here. It's going to be great. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let this cook a while. And I'm about ready. That caribou is cooking up real nice, man. That caribou. Pork chops, man, they're looking good. Chicken looking good. The ham is looking good. Oh, my baby's chicken, my 2 little doggies, they chicken looking good. I moved them down here so they could grill up real nice. So they get a taste for my babies. Yes, those are my babies. Okay, my frog legs, they're ready. So I put them in here. Okay, I'm gonna finish cooking. Then I'm gonna put some of this, oh God, Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. I'm gonna put some of that on that chicken and just let it simmer down. Let it melt off in there. Oh my God. Oh, what a rush. Tasted everything, but it needs just a little bit more of a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Let me put it on that caribou. Oh God. If the animal kingdom knew what I was doing. Oh, let me put a little bit of that and a little bit of this on there. Oh, man. Okay, put it all together. It's coming along. Be patient, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. The grilling is done. Let me show you, boys and girls. Let me show you. Look at here. The caribou. Oh my goodness. The chicken, the tomahawk pork chop. Let me plate some of it up for you, boys and girls. Oh, the chicken, look at that. I put that, a little bit of this and a little bit of that on there. And man, that's, oh my goodness, I got some ham here, look. That ham is hiding in there. He think he's going to get away, but he's not going to get away. That ham is not going to get away. Let me see, can I cut me a little piece off? See how tender it is? I'm just using one hand. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. Now, that's good. Oh, my frog legs, they hiding. Where you at, boys? Where you at, frog legs? He's in there somewhere. You think he gonna hide? Oh, there you go. My frog legs. Here we go. Frog legs. Thought he was gonna hide. Yeah. Man, I tell you what, I just don't know what to say about myself. Look at this plate. And I haven't put the potato salad and macaroni salad. I'm not gonna even do you like that. I'm not gonna take it that far. But anyway, what I got to do is cut me off a little piece of this caribou. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that caribou. Oh, let me let you watch. I'm doing with one hand too. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. Unbelievable caribou. You need to get you some. You got to go to Alaska to get it, but hey, it's worth it. I've had it. This is my second time having it. It's good. I'm having a little trouble with it there, but it's coming off of there. You can believe that. It's coming. There goes that caribou. Look at that. There goes that caribou. Yes, had a little hard time coming off there, but I got him. But that's okay. Look how pretty it is, boys and girls. Look how pretty that caribou is. Look how pretty everything is. Tomahawk, pork chop, everything. So, I just want you to know, and all pretty much I used, all of that's going down with just a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So, hey, you know what time it is. It's time for me to go eat. Take care, okay? Later.